Clicks get attention, but attention doesn't equal growth. And if viewers feel tricked, clickbait might give you a spike in views, but it destroys the trust, the engagement, and long-term growth. The real skill isn't tricking people, it's attracting clicks while keeping your audience happy, engaged, and loyal. And every successful channel understands this. Clicks matter, but retention, trust, and watch time matters more. And here's exactly how to get clicks without ever lying or misleading your viewers, step by step, in a way that compounds your growth over time. Step one, clarity over cleverness. Your title must communicate exactly what the viewer will get. Avoid vague phrases like "you won't believe this" or "crazy video." Instead, make it specific. 5 mistakes new creators make that kill growth, or "how I grow my channel 10 times in 30 days." And when you promise is clear and the people click, they stay and they subscribe. And step two, emotional triggers. People click because of curiosity, urgency, or fear of missing out, or desire for gain. You can leverage these triggers without lying. For example, "stop doing this mistake that costs you subscribers" creates curiosity and urgency while delivering real value. Emotional resonance, too, doesn't require deception. It requires understanding what motivates your audience. And step three, specificality, in numbers. Numbers make promises concrete and believable. 5 ways to double your views in 30 days. Work far better than way to grow fast. Specificality, signals actionable information, encourages clicks, and builds trust because viewers know exactly what to expect as well. Step four, pattern interrupts. Your title and thumbnail need to stand out in a crowd feed. Bold text, contrasting colors, and unique imagery create visual cues that grab attention. Pattern interrupts. It doesn't mean lying. They mean breaking the scroll with something noticeable that communicates value immediately. And step five, thumbnails that match the title. Consistency between title and thumbnail is essential. If your title promises a solution, your thumbnail should visually reinforce it. If your title asks a question, your thumbnail can hint at the answer. Misalignment between the titles and the thumbnails destroys the trust, reduces the CTR over time, and increases the bounce rates. Step six, convey value instantly. Your opening moments must reinforce the promise of your title. Even before viewers finish reading the title or notice the thumbnail, your first few thumbnails or few seconds should communicate that this video is worth their time. Quick statements, clear visuals, and confident pacing signal value immediately. Step seven, curiosity without deception. Teasing information is fine as long as the payoff exists. Instead of this hack will make you rich overnight, they say something like this: most creators miss the step that can grow their channel fast. Curiosity draws viewers in, but the content must fulfill the promise, or trust is lost permanently. Step 8, solve a problem. Answer a question or entertain. Every title and thumbnail should promise a tangible outcome. People click to improve their lives, learn something new, or be entertained. If your click delivers on that promise, they'll return for future videos. Step 9, test variations. Never assume your first title or thumbnail is perfect. Write multiple variations, test them, and analyze the performance. And platforms provide instant feedback through impressions, click through rates, and retention metrics. Use this data to optimize consistently. And step 10, consistency compounds trust. Delivering what you promise in every video builds authority. And when viewers trust your content, they click without hesitation, and retention increases, and the algorithm promotes your video more. Step 11, combine intrigue with honesty. For instance, the biggest mistake new creators make and how to fix it teases curiosity and demonstrates empathy and promises a solution. Intrigue doesn't require exaggeration, it requires framing your value clearly and honestly. And step 12, think like the viewer, not the algorithm. What would you click if you had a problem you wanted to solve? Misleading titles might game impressions temporarily, but they destroy engagements and retention and subscriber loyalty over time. In step 13, use power words selectively. Words like secret, proven, or stop, or fast attract attention, but only if paired with real value. Overusing them makes your content seem spammy, reducing long term trust. Step 14, test hooks in batches. Sometimes one word matches the difference between low and high CTR. Write multiple titles, thumbnails, and opening lines, and then pick the one that's strong. The the clear and the truthful one. Step 15, reinforce the promise throughout the video. Early engagement signals the algorithm that your content is valuable. Reinforce what you promise in the title with visuals, examples, and pacing that keeps viewers invested. And step 16, use curiosity ethically. Tease elements of your content without exaggerating or misleading. Build suspense or interest naturally, then deliver the full value so viewers feel rewarded rather than tricked. In step 17, integrate CTAs naturally. Calls to action shouldn't feel tracked on. Encourage subscriptions, likes, shares, or clicks to another video as part of solving the viewer's problem or enhancing their experience. And step 18, analytics driven iteration. Study CTR retention, traffic sources, and engagement. Identify which titles, thumbnails, and hooks perform better, and refine based on data, not guesswork. In step 19, storytelling enhances clicks. Even instructional content benefits from narratives, problems, tensions, and solutions and payoffs. Storytelling keeps viewers watching and makes content memorable and improving retention and engagement. Step 20, optimize for discoverability. Keywords and titles, descriptions, and tags help YouTube understand your content and connect it to the right audience. Research your audience's search behavior and naturally integrate relevant phrases. And step 21, batch your content planning. Map out video ideas in series of clusters that link together. This increases watch time and gives viewers a reason to binge multiple videos, and boosting retention and channel authority. Step 22, leverage shorts to attract new viewers. Shorts can bring exposure quickly without sacrificing content integrity. Use them to highlight value, tease longer content, or answer quick questions, then funnel viewers to your main channel. Step 23, consistent branding matters. Visual, style, tone, and messaging should remain consistent across every video. Cohesive branding builds recognition, trust, and authority over time. Step 24, avoid chasing trends blindly. Trends can boost exposure, but don't replace consistence. High value content. Use trends strategically, but prioritize your niche. Audiences need in content system. Step 25, community building strengthens clicks. Engage viewers beyond YouTube through social media, Discord, or email lists. Loyal audiences click without hesitation. Watch more and amplify your reach. And step 26, incremental improvement compounds growth. Refine your thumbnails, your titles, your hooks, your pacing, and editing gradually. Each improvement boosts your CTR retention and engagement without adding risk. Step 27, internal linking through playlists and end screens. Connect videos logically to encourage binge watching, increase watch time and retention. Step 28, emotional resonance drives clicks. Humor, empathy, relatability, and energy makes viewers want to click stay and subscribe. Step 29, clarity and honest first. Misleading hooks destroys your credibility, your retention, and long term growth. Always prioritize the truthful, value driven promises. And step 30, optimize upload timing. Post when your audience is most active to maximize early engagement signals and which significantly influence the algorithm. In step 31, learn from high performing videos in your niche. Reverse engineer hooks, pacing, titles, and thumbnails, then adapt to your unique style. In step 32, iterative testing of formats. Minor adjustments in visuals and text placement or delivery style can dramatically affect CTR and retention. In step 33, integrate problem solving with intrigue. Make your titles and thumbnails suggest a solution without exaggeration or deception. Step 34, optimize, your thumbnail creation, templates, consistent color schemes, and clear visuals. Hierarchy save time and reinforce brand recognition. In step 35, optimize retention spikes. Identify moments where viewers drop off and adjust hooks, pacing, or visuals to keep them watching. In step 36, diversify content delivery. Mix tutorials, story driven videos, and short tips to appeal to different viewers' behaviors while staying niche focused. In step 37, monitor analytics holistically. CTR, your watch time, your retention, and engagements, they all matter. Don't obsess over one metric. Focus on patterns and trends over time. Step 38, reinforce trust in every video. Deliver on promises consistently so viewers know they can click confidently on future content. And step 39, Test title phrasing frequently. Small differences can produce large CTR gains. Experiment systematically, analyze results, and optimize. Step 40, long term strategy. Treat every video as part of a growing system. Titles, thumbnails, the content, and engagement all compound. Channels that execute consistently and ethically grow predictably and sustainably. Step 41, understand your audience's problems deeply too. Titles that directly address pain, points, or desires generate clicks naturally without exaggeration. Step 42, storytelling and hooks. Even in short intros, mini narrative, problem, tension, solution can dramatically increase retention and CTR. Step 43, incremental CTA reinforcement. Encourage engagement and subscription multiple times organically without feeling pushy. Step 44, cross platform promotion ethically. Tease value on social media to drive clicks without misleading. And step 45, focus on compounding trust. Every honest click and satisfied viewer multiplies your long term growth, making future videos click naturally. In step 46, clarity in text overlays. If using text on thumbnails makes readable on mobile, in align with the video promises. And step 47, test multiple thumbnail designs. Small visual differences can produce huge variations in CTR. Step 48, maintain emotional and visual consistency. Viewers associate your style with value, which increases the natural clicks. Step 49, prioritize retention over vanity metrics. High CTR without retention doesn't grow a channel sustainably. Step 50, relentless iteration and improvement. Every title, thumbnail, hook, and opening line should be tested, refined, and optimized, and continuously. The channel that grows fast executes systematically, ethically, and with audience first thinking. By mastering those 50 steps, you'll consistently get clicks without resorting to clickbait. And your audience trusts you, your retention improves, and the algorithm favors your content, and growth compounds predictably. Every click becomes a loyal viewer, every video builds authority, and your channel grows sustainably. Clicks without deception aren't just possible, they're the fastest path to lasting growth. Audience loyalty and monetization. Execute this system and iterate it constantly and watch your channel thrive without ever misleading a single video viewer. Also, if you like this video, check this video out to the right and we'll see you on the next one.